Ocean of Doubt, Understanding Complex English Phrases. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, ocean of doubt. This phrase is a great example of how English uses imagery to express complex feelings and situations. Let's dive in and understand what it means and how you can use it in your everyday conversations. Ocean of doubt is a metaphorical phrase. An ocean is vast, deep, and sometimes overwhelming. Similarly, when someone says they are in an ocean of doubt, it means they are experiencing immense uncertainty or confusion. It's as if they are lost in a vast sea of unanswered questions or unresolved issues. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase can be used in sentences. When it came to choosing her career, she found herself in an ocean of doubt. After hearing conflicting news reports, the public was left in an ocean of doubt about the truth. Notice how the phrase effectively conveys a sense of being overwhelmed or lost due to uncertainty. English is rich with similar expressions. Here are a few. Sea of uncertainty. Similar to ocean of doubt, it conveys a large amount of uncertainty. Fog of confusion. This phrase suggests being surrounded by confusion, making it hard to see clearly or find a way out. Understanding phrases like ocean of doubt can add depth to your English communication. They allow you to express complex feelings in a poetic and impactful way. We hope this video helps you navigate the exciting sea of English language learning. Stay curious, and keep exploring new phrases and expressions. See you in our next video.